Bullish Iost cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 11 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Iost could reach 5 cents by 2025. Bearish Iost market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Iost presentation Web of Administration's token is a blockchain stage that means to meet the security and versatility needs of a decentralized economy. Iost professes to have the option to handle an enormous number of exchanges each second without settling for less on security. The Iost group comprises of previous representatives of Google, Facebook, IBM, and Alibaba. What is Iost? The Iost token is the local money of the Iost organization. Iost exchanges under the image Iost on digital money trades. Who are the originators behind Iost? The Iost group is made out of previous representatives of Google, Facebook, IBM, and Alibaba. The undertaking was established by Jimmy Zhang, Terrence Wang, Beam Zhao, and Salmal Shah. What is the Iost guide? The Iost guide comprises of 3 stages: Everest, Olympus, and decentralization. Everest is the principal period of the Iost guide and spotlights on building a versatile blockchain stage. The fundamental objective of Everest is to work on the proficiency of the Iost network by enhancing exchange handling times and expanding throughput. Olympus is the second period of the Iost guide and spotlights on further developing security and administration on the Iost organization. The fundamental objective of Olympus is to make a more decentralized network by giving clients more command over their information and assets. Decentralization is the third period of the Iost guide and spotlights on making a genuinely decentralized economy. The fundamental objective of decentralization is to permit clients to interface with one another straightforwardly without going through incorporated mediators. The Iost group is continually chipping away at new imaginative answers for tackle the issues of adaptability, security, and decentralization that have tormented past ages of blockchain conventions. Their endeavors are paying off, as the Iost mainnet is currently live and handling exchanges at high paces while keeping an extremely serious level of safety. Verification of credibility. Iost's interesting agreement component, called verification of authenticity, consolidates components of evidence of work and confirmation of stake to accomplish close-moment exchange absolution with very low charges. This makes Iost an appealing choice for organizations hoping to construct decentralized applications on a blockchain convention that can scale to address their issues. The Iost environment is likewise developing quickly, with a huge and dynamic local area of designers building apps on the stage. The new send-off of the Iost engineer entrance is making it much simpler for designers to get everything rolling structure on Iost. With this multitude of positive turns of events, it's no big surprise that the cost of Iost tokens has been on the ascent. In the event that you're pondering putting resources into Iost, this moment is a decent opportunity to properly investigate things and choose if it's ideal for you. What's to come looks brilliant for this youthful convention, and its cost is supposed to keep ascending as additional individuals find out about what it offers. Key elements. Since its send-off, Iost has been getting some decent forward momentum in the crypto local area because of its special agreement component called confirmation of acceptability. POB is a creative agreement calculation that consolidates the best elements of both evidence of work and confirmation of stake, without experiencing their particular shortcomings. Notwithstanding its state-of-the-art agreement system, Iost likewise flaunts high adaptability on account of its sharding innovation, which permits exchanges to be handled and lined up on various shards of the organization. This makes Iost one of a handful of the blockchain projects that are really versatile while staying secure and decentralized. Because of these highlights, Iost has drawn in organizations with probably the greatest names in the business, for example, Code Capital, Huobi Worldwide, OKEX, Binance Labs, Upbit Adventures, Bitmain Advancements, China Equity Gathering, IN Blockchain Adventures, Vertex Adventures China and Southeast Asia, India, Israel, Finbushi Computerized Asset, among others. Iost current cost. Iost is as of now worth 1 cent USD. Iost has moved 0.81% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,452,574. Iost is as of now positioned 134 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $211,980,036 USD. The bullish Iost cost forecast is that the cost of Iost will keep on expanding over the course of the following couple of years. This depends on the latest thing of the market and the positive possibilities for Iost later on. The fundamental justification behind this forecast is that Iost has a great deal of possibilities to fill before long. There are many variables that propose that Iost will keep on ascending in esteem, like areas of strength for its organizations and innovation. By and large, there is a great deal of bullish feeling encompassing Iost, making it a wise speculation for those hoping to put resources into digital money. Iost is a cutting-edge agreement convention that expects to meet the security and versatility needs of computerized coins. The Iost blockchain is intended to be adaptable so it can handle a large number of exchanges each second without forfeiting security or decentralization. Iost likewise utilizes a remarkable agreement calculation called evidence of credibility, which is intended to be more proficient than confirmation of work or verification of stake agreement calculation. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Iost market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Iost Value Forecast 2022. Iost, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Iost cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 1 cent. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 1 cent in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Iost is supposed to have a base worth of 1 cent. Iost Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Iost cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Iost will before long outperform 2 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Iost's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Iost will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 2 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 2 cents. Iost Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 3 cents and Iost might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Iost is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 3 cents and a low of 3 cents in 2024. Iost Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Iost effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Iost coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Iost will be green in 2025. The Iost is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 5 cents, with a base cost of 4 cents and a typical cost of 4 cents. Iost Value Forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Iost cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 5 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 5 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Iost has a greatest value worth of 6 cents. Iost Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 7 cents. On the off chance that Iost figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 7 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Iost needs by 2027 could bring